Well, we just left Joe and Alicia's house in Arlington. We're on our way to Delaware Seashore State Park. And we just stopped at the Walmart here on the way after fueling up to
get some lunch.
Replenish our stores and eat lunch. I want to thank you, Joe and Alicia, Abigail and Olivia, for hosting us for this past week. We loved every minute of it, and we can't wait till we meet again.
That bridge is supposed to be really pretty lit up.
Oh, really? Delaware Seashore State Park doesn't disappoint. This is beautiful. It's really something.
I never thought about Delaware. I mean, it just kind of was one of those little states, even being from Rhode Island. Never thought about Delaware, but I think tomorrow we're going to hit a beach in Delaware because here it is, right here at the state park. Very nice.
Today's a travel day, but here we are. It's 9 o'clock and we are sitting around planning. There's no great rush to get underway because we're in a state park and the checkout time is noontime. And we're in a pull-through site and we didn't even have to disconnect the Jeep, so there's really nothing to do to pack up and leave. So we're taking our time and doing some advanced planning for our trip north. We are currently at Delaware Seashore State Park. Beautiful park. And we've added it to our list to come back here if we're coming through the area, because it is that nice. So you get great views while you're here too. We're going to be lot docking. We've got 3 harvest hosts and a Cracker Barrel to stay at in the next 4-5 days. And so I'm going to put on about 20 gallons of fresh water and empty our tanks and flush our tanks really well because we have full hookups right now. And our next stop is going to be the Double Nickel Brewing Company in New Jersey. So that's where we're headed next. Looks like it's going to be a stormy day though. We had a mostly restful night here at Double Nickel Brewing Company. It was a fairly quiet night. It's in an industrial area, so there was a little bit of noise, but not too much. But the beer was good. The service was excellent. We're now going to go a short distance down the road to a Cracker Barrel just to scope it out. And then we are going to go to a mall for the day until we can get into the Cracker Barrel later this afternoon. And we'll spend the night at Cracker Barrel, and then tomorrow morning at 7:30 we're bringing the RV into Mercedes Benz Van Center at Maple Shade, New Jersey, where we're going to get the oil change, the filter change, and the fuel filter change. So that'll be on tap for the first thing tomorrow morning. Hopefully they'll have us out of there by 10 o'clock, 10:30 hopefully, and then we're going to have a long travel day to Sturbridge, Massachusetts, where we're spending a couple of nights at 1000 Trails Park. And that'll mark our first return to Massachusetts in almost 2 years. So we're looking forward to that. So we just parked outside the Cherry Hill Mall here in New Jersey. Cherry Hill, New Jersey. And we just had lunch. Now we're going to go walk around the mall. Just wasting some time until we go to the Cracker Barrel we're going to stay at for the night. In preparation of getting our RV serviced first thing tomorrow morning. Then we head back to Massachusetts. So we're leaving the mall now and we're going to head over to Cracker Barrel. It's hot out. It is 93 and it's humid. So I don't know, it might be a rough night.
Not a good day to not have air conditioning.
Yeah. We can run the air conditioning for a little while off the batteries. Then we have to resort to the generator. And the generator consumed about 3/4 of a gallon of propane every hour. So we'll be using up most of our propane to stay cool. But hopefully the temperatures will go down tonight, and we'll be able to bring the temperature in the coach down enough so that it'll equalize quicker, and we'll have a comfortable night. We'll see.
Five hours later.
Never what we planned for, but we came in for service, and when they took it out for a test drive, a fire started. So we're still trying to figure out what the problem is there. They said it had something to do with the air conditioner, and they got to order parts and do an investigation. So we're leaving the RV here for a while they do the repairs, and we're going to continue heading north. That means we have to pack up the RV.
Oh my God. It's not that easy because we can only put it all in the Jeep. We have some things that we have events that we're attending, so we have to dress stuff.
Yeah. So
it's just, we're a bit out of sorts. And plus, what do you do with all the food, right?
I'm going to empty out just this back section of the Jeep. I took the solo stove out and a couple of other boxes that we had that we store in here, and this will be where we're going to store our stuff for the next week or so anyways, I think. Probably going to take a week before we can get back here and get the RV. We just made a gas stop on the Garden State Parkway. Get some fuel, take a bio break, and start to decompress. So we still don't know what happened to the RV during the test drive. The master tech there checked everything out and said it all looked good. But something caused a fire. Yeah, it's going to be a big job, I think. The master tech said he'd know better tomorrow about all the parts that they were going to need to fix it. But I don't think that we're going to get it before next week sometime. But again, they're being very gracious. They're putting us up in a hotel. We're actually going to drive all the way from New Jersey. We're driving all the way to East Longmeadow, Massachusetts, where our daughter lives, and that's where we're going to spend the night. We're trying to find a hotel which doesn't seem to be easy anymore.
It's not easy, you know.
You can't just call somebody and say, yeah, I want to book a room for 3 or 4 nights. It's just,
It's weird. You have to do
it all online now, apparently. I don't know.
It was, yeah, so I reached out to one of them, and they like went through this whole big sales pitch about joining their thing.
Yeah.
And I was just like, wait, what? I just want to book a room. Oh, we don't have any available. Okay. Then I called another one, and they only do reservations online. So I had to go online, and I couldn't find availability. I just tried a third one. They texted me a link to make the reservation. But I couldn't because I only had 1 bar of service. We are not having a good day.
Mm.
Went into this restroom, broken. Went over to that one, a man was in it.
Oh,
I'm like, this is not a good day. I'm sorry. Little things. First world problems. But
so, Allison, we're coming your way, and if you get up in the morning and we're parked in your driveway,
Right?
you'll know why.
But hey, we have our clothes
Yeah,
and
yeah.
toothbrushes.
Yeah.
What else could matter?
We're now homeless, and we're also houseless. So all of our stuff is in the back of the Jeep.
We're a mess,
That
is
we
what
need,
we are.
anyways. Yeah, we're a mess. So, we will
It's
continue.
okay. We're both healthy and fine.
Yep. It's all part of the adventure.
Oh, God.
That's half of our life piled up in the corner of a hotel room. The rest is down in the Jeep. Nice hotel, downtown Springfield. Yeah, we need to relax now. It's been a rough day.
I'm just gonna drive.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click that little bell and hit that thumbs up.